I think art is a scam. It promises control through creation. Before it becomes something else in the name of healing. I see it now. The seductive nature of catharsis in expression is itself a deception. You're a fraud. We both are. I pretended to be a god, and you treated me as one, worshipping me with your form that I made. You confirmed my delusion, and I allowed it. I wanted you to be beautiful, because I thought if you were, I would be too. But you only proved my blatant denial of the truth. And that truth is this: I didn't make you to be the way you are. You did. I saw you in my mind exactly as you should be. You took the shape of my thoughts, but refused to yield in the end. I relied on you, you know. I hoped you'd fulfill something in me. Something. You were supposed to be perfect. So, why do I want to destroy you?